Hey everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox the all new Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. So let's dive in of how these tiny powerhouses have what to offer us. And the people who are actually in the Samsung ecosystem is much very used to it to buy all these Samsung products. How premium it is, let's unbox it and see how and what it is. Let's go. So here we are hands-on onto the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. So at the back we have the ultimate hi-fi sound with two-way speakers and active noise cancellation and other playback time, and also powered by AKG. So let's open it up. So as I open the box, the first thing I notice is how compact the packaging is. Samsung has been really focusing on sustainability, and it's evident in minimalistic yet elegant design. Inside, we are greeted by the charging case. This is the charging case, and other is all paperwork and also a charging wire in it with tiny little buds hidden in this side. Here are the tiny little buds which are hidden in this side. Let me open it up. So these are the tiny little buds which are just hidden under this. So this is all about the charging case and the box itself. So let's keep this all aside, all these things. So here, let's take a closer look at the charging case. It has matte finish and feels premium and prevents fingerprints. Always nice touch, and here they are, the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. These are 15% smaller than the previous generation, which should make them more comfortable for long listening sessions.